All right, guys, we are going to flip off my car. And no, we're not talking about that flipping off. We're talking about some backflips. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. Some backflips.
Do it.
All right. If you got it, be careful. Okay, well, that was easy. Should I do it?
Yeah, your turn.
I've never done one off. Is it, should I jump backwards or what?
Just do a normal flip.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that was not his best. One more. One more. That was
one more.
Crap, guys. That was crap.
One more.
Oh, that was still crap. One more. Jeez,
one more. You still gotta jump a little bit, boy. One more.
All right, here we go.
There you go.
Better.
There you go. Ooh.
If you guys are pretty pissed off that I just did a flip off my car because it could scratch it, don't worry. The paint is in crappy condition and it's got a lot of stuff. It's got a lot of work that needs to come, so don't worry, guys. It will be fixed. The car is gonna get better. Let's get to some actual backflips. Get a flip check. Let's see this, my little cousin Colty. All right, give me a flip check. Flip check.
Get it, boy.
All right, flip check.
Ooh.
Might have over-rotated on that one a little bit, but you want a flip check?
Yeah. Flip check.
It's my sister, guys, Olivia.
Dude,
Wow, that was really pretty.
Yeah,
that was a good
so
flip.
good.
All right, that was the flip check. Let's get on the tramp. All right, give me your best full.
My best full?
Yeah.
Watch you.
More?
Yeah, one more.
Do my full. Oh, that was weird, but
That was good.
I just twisted. I didn't flip enough, but
You did that one good. You landed that one.
I've been trying to work on my fulls because I suck at them. All right, guys, in the garage, it is a big mess. Before I get working on my car, I'm gonna clean it up, and I've always wanted to use the YouTube magic, so be clean. Ooh, that looks so much better. For the most part, it's clean. I just need to organize a few things, but definitely gonna be better for working on my car. Let's get some sound clips, guys. There we go.
Wanna know what it smells like in here?
Asshole. It smells like asshole. Oh.
It smells like skunk. Mate needs a microphone.
Do you need a microphone? Yeah, just try to get me pulling in. And don't stop rolling because I'm gonna rev it after a little bit, okay?
Little bit. Ooh, no scrapes, boys.
All right, you ready for some revs? Go up there. All right, guys, today I basically made a vlog all about doing just flips and car stuff and taking you through my life. I want to do a little bit more vlog style videos, but it'll always keep my car and keep my interest in the videos. And so don't worry guys, it will stay focused around cars, but I wanted to address all the mistakes with this car and all the things that I've messed up and what I plan to fix and what my plans are for the car, what my like vision for it is, what I want the car to be when I'm done. So let me address those few things. All right guys, here's my engine bay. What I want to do is clean up the entire engine bay and basically have like a show car engine bay. So I want to repaint everything and just over time clean everything up I possibly can. Then this bumper, I'm going to get a new bumper, a new piece there, and a new hood. So that way I have no issues with my fitment and I have no like bad panels, I guess. Then I'm gonna repaint these flares because they are getting a little bit gross. I will be getting new wheels, so just wait for that. Then I'll be fixing my door right here because someone hit me. I'll be changing the exhaust up so that I have a different style of exhaust. And guys, I honestly have some crazy plans for this car. I eventually want to build the motor, possibly this summer if things line up, and go for crazy horsepower. But basically, I'm just trying to clean the whole car up and make it look really good, as well as shoot for around 400 crank horsepower, probably like 380 wheel horsepower. I think that would be a safe number for me to go to on stock internals. And then I would do a dyno day as well to show you guys the exact number once I'm tuned. But after I hit that number, after I get to around 380 wheel horsepower with all my modifications, then I want to build the motor and like I said, go for crazy horsepower like 500-600 wheel horsepower, which is definitely possible. It would be crazy, and I honestly think it will happen. So stay tuned guys, enjoy these flips, enjoy the vlog style, and enjoy the content, and I will catch you guys tomorrow.